Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Virgos, we are picking these cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Virgos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Virgos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have about your circumstances, guys. So you can stay tuned for that, Virgos. So let's start with these cards here. So we have Magician in reverse, Seven of Suns in reverse, and Six of Stars. So in your circumstances, guys, it may be in your career or it may be in your relationship. Maybe you are in a circumstance, maybe in your work or in your relationship, in your personal life, there is a person really close to you and you may trust this person. You may have a lot of love, belief, and you may feel that they are reliable, but this person is trying to control your decisions in some way, guys. They are suggesting that certain things in your life and you are simply unable to listen to them, follow them. Maybe it may be regarding some decisions in your work or it may be in your relationship. Maybe you don't know what to do now. You feel that you have been cornered and stuck. Maybe this person is someone important and you cannot avoid them. You need to listen to them. But what they are saying to you, what they are telling you is something impossible to do. Maybe in your relationship, guys, maybe this person you are in love with, you may trust them, you may like them, but this person you love, maybe they do not this person really close to you, this person who is trying to control you, they may not like this person you love, so they are trying to give you suggestions against this relationship, and it is simply something really difficult for you. You don't know what to do or how to avoid this person or how to overcome this difficult circumstance, guys, today in your situation. Maybe if you are unable to avoid them, tell them openly what you truly feel. Maybe if you love this person, you need to make this friend of yours understand your situation. Maybe if not, you must try to avoid them. If that is also not possible, you have to see ways to make your own decisions, guys, not listen to them. So whatever needs to be done, you need to do it on your own. Think for yourself. So that is going to bring you clarity, guys. Maybe giving up negative thought or whatever is bothering you. Maybe this person, this friend of yours has helped you. That may be the reason you feel obliged to them to listen to whatever they say. Maybe you must first find where your relationship stands with this friend of yours, guys. Only then you will be able to make the right decision for yourself in your love situation, Virgos. So for your relationship, we have the burning tower in reverse. So there are some problems in your relationship, guys, something unforeseen happening, maybe because of what this person has told you about, maybe because of this friend of yours, or it may be something on its own, some kind of circumstances, difficult circumstances unfolding, something which you are unable to handle, maybe, guys, for some of you. But you need to understand that these difficult circumstances are here, maybe, to take you towards something positive, guys. So these changes are necessary. These changes are your destiny. You need to accept it. So these unforeseen events may be a lot painful today, but you need to understand that these changes are necessary for something positive to come in your life, guys, Virgos. So for your career situation, we have 5 of Suns in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe there may be some difficult situation in your work. Maybe some difficult choices you need to make, something may not be clear. But if you work with clarity, if you are confident enough, if you are able to wait and make the right choices, you are going to see success, Virgos. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgo. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, this is your first card, guys, and it is I surge on the uprising wave of love. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, you are trying to change certain things or you are wishing for things to be different today. But whatever you do, whatever you are doing, maybe the efforts, whatever it is, guys, your personal will and efforts are not going to make any changes today, because you are in a karmic cycle. So whatever is destined to happen in your life is what is unfolding today. So you are trying to limit your experiences or your circumstances through your range of vision. But what is happening is something beyond our control and beyond our comprehension. So destiny is unfolding in your life and you need to understand that, guys. And maybe You are moving towards a life change, an accelerated life change. You will be caught up in a wave and you will be taken much farther and faster than expected. And you will feel pushed towards some changes that are unfolding on its own without you liking or disliking those changes. But you need to understand that it is for your best and it is your divine destiny that is unfolding, and it is going to create a very great change in your life, something unexpected. So destiny is working in your life today, guys. You need to understand. And this destiny has been waiting for you. This divine destiny has been waiting to unfold in your life, guys, and it is something good, something positive. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So your circumstances may seem out of control, and that may be your destiny today, guys. And it is pushing you towards something, and you need to understand that, and you need to embrace that change, whatever is coming in your life, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So for those who chose this second card, we have mending. So with this card, it just means that you are moving towards a healing energy in this relationship, in your life. Forgiveness, healing from arguments or some misunderstandings, whatever it is. So forgiveness is necessary if we want to move forward in our life, guys. Separate or together, you both are experiencing feelings of hurt. The effects of hurt are impacting your life. You are hurt, and maybe this person is also hurt. So this energy needs to be cleared if you want to bridge that gap, to find that harmony in your relationship. So closing your heart is not the answer, guys. You have the power to heal this wound. So whatever needs to be done, you should do it. So ask yourself, you need to ask yourself, what will love do to you and to that other person? And if you forgive, only goodness will come out of it, because we forgive the other person only when you have that love and we want to change, and that is a honest thing to do. If you truly love this person, you need to make amends, guys. Maybe say sorry to them if you have wronged them, or if they have wronged you, they need to tell you sorry and make amends. Work towards that harmonious, balanced relationship, and this is the right time for that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.